let's get the ball rolling. I would like to say how happy to be here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is วณิษาแก้วกุลกรมอดิศักดิ์บรรจงภูทิติมาพรชำรำพิมพิไลสารพันธ์มาริสาคล้ายคลึงอรวรรณคำที่วงศ์ and สิริภาพันธ์ไกรรัตน์ is to inform about the big demand of using life insurance. To begin, benefits using of living risk after this policy's protection. Finally, the superior arrangement. I will speak about 10 minutes. At the first effects, which is benefits of using life insurance. That's all I would like to say about the change of lifestyle in reality. For example, protection of the family when the family has died sick.
And now let us to turn the value of life with responsibility and punctuality. To turn face the adverse event that occurs, such as first force and car accident.
That's all I want to say that the policy of protection one action to help individuals with lower taxes and medical expenses, including saving. Next, realize the everyday of each day will be about the life and work every day to be happy. It's easier to generate your life, be better completely, and I stay with family and travel.
The big demand of using life insurance. The first, the benefits of using life insurance. For example, the check of lifestyle immunity to accuracy of life and can face with adverse event occurring highly. The second, they have police protection, such as carry out in order to each individual really is their daily lives or can make it easy to digitize your life be better completely. Finally, the superior arrangements retirement age.
In my opinion, we think there are life insurance both advantages and disadvantages. Most people will look that's good because it is considered a security risk. Life insurance in a good way of saving money and also condition that allow us use deposits more money in the bank again. But the risk of insurance company is was supposed to capacity and should choose life insurance too much to the capacity of our spending because if we can, we will cancel the insurance money says bank the full almost paid and more importantly, we should choose a policy that suits your lifestyle as possible.
Debts. The choices include term, universal, and whole life insurance. In this video, we'll take a look at term life insurance. Term life insurance is just that, a policy that will remain in effect for a specified term or length of time. There are two basic types of term insurance. Level, which means exactly that. Premiums and coverage amounts stay the same for the policy term you choose. And decreasing, where premium stays level but the coverage decreases over time. This policy's death benefits can be used to help pay off a loan whose balance decreases over time, such as a mortgage. One of the greatest notions behind term life insurance is the lower initial cost in comparison to whole life or universal policies. Please note though, after the initial term period ends, the price to renew may be much greater. Term periods can range from 1 year to 30 years. Your agent can help determine a time frame that fits your needs. Term policies pay if the insured individual passes away during the term of the policy. Unlike whole or universal, term life policies do not accumulate a cash value. Term policies are popular with people who are just starting their families, especially if budgets are tight. It may allow you to purchase a large sum at a very reasonable cost. The other great benefit behind a term policy is as we age, many of our financial obligations lessen. For instance, if paying for your children's college is a high priority, term is great because it protects you and your family during those years. You may be thinking to yourself, what happens after the term policy runs its full term? Well, you have several different options. Depending on your age, some term policies can renew automatically and will stay in force year by year by paying the premiums. The biggest change will be your premiums will begin to rise as you age. The longer a person uses annual renewable term, the more costly it becomes. Hint: be sure to ask if a new medical review is required on renewal. Also, think about looking for a term policy that allows you to convert your policy to a permanent policy like a whole or universal life. Look for a company that allows you to convert this policy with no evidence of insurability, which basically means you don't have to go through underwriting again, a major benefit. And remember, the general rule: the younger you start your life insurance policy, the less expensive it will be. Start today to protect your tomorrow. American Family Life Insurance Company, Home Office, Madison, Wisconsin.